Hey, here's how I shoot my videos. I have a tripod and I have a tripod adapter which goes to a cell phone, which is this little gizmo right here, and this is my little fake cell phone. I know, so funny. And anyway, I've gone through a few of these adapters because they break really easy, so I'm very careful about how I store it because it's just plastic. So then I just stick my phone in there and I clamp it down, and then I have my paper down below, whatever I'm doing to shoot the video, and I just do it on my phone on video, and that's how I shoot my video. Pretty easy. And then I airdrop my videos to my computer to go through iMovie and edit them. First of all, you're going to open up iMovie, the star, and you're going to go to Projects, Create New, just do a movie. All right, so now you have a blank canvas for your movie. So I'm gonna slide this over out of the way a little bit. I'm gonna go to my downloads, which are in my hard drive. So I'm gonna go to downloads, and I have shot some footage that is saved in downloads. So I'm gonna come over here and I'm going to find the image I want. So here's my image, how to draw Major Tuttle. So I'm going to just drag it over to my desktop. Then I'm going to move this guy back over here, come to this picture, and it's going to be in the, whatever it's called, Ken Burns, whatever, but I don't want it. I just want a normal, just stay put photo. So I'm going to hit the crop tool. I'm going to go to fit, and there it is. Now it's just fit. Now I'm going to come back to my download. I'm going to come over here where the video is. I don't want that. I'm going to drag that over here, and I'm going to select that so you can see it's selected because it has the yellow highlight around it, and I want this to be horizontal. I don't want it to be vertical. So I'm going to again be in the crop tool. I'm going to come over here to the turn it button, and I'm going to turn it. Voila! Now when I shoot my videos, usually I have weird stuff going on like before I start. So then what I like to do is play it. Okay, so that's where I start. So I want to cut that there and get rid of everything before it. So I'm going to hit Control B as in banana, Control B, or maybe it's Command B. Yeah, Command B. I just have muscle memory, so I have to look. Okay, then this prior stuff's highlighted, so I'm going to hit delete, and now it's gone. And now my video just plays.
Hello, art friends.
So now I'm going to go to the end of the video because I always have stuff at the end too that is just extra stuff from me getting up to turn the camera off. And you can also make this smaller by just squeezing together your fingers on the mouse pad. That'll make it smaller so you're not scrolling. So now I'm going to listen here.
I think we just need some more lines, a couple lines here and there, little something in places. And I think that looks good. All right, there is the Commanders football team logo. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up.
All right, so that's where I'm going to stop. I'm going to enlarge this so that I can get a better click on that. All right, so now I'm going to hit Command B as in banana again. Now this front part's highlighted, so I want to highlight the back part, delete. And now I want to drop in some labels or some titles. So I'm going to come up here to my title. I'm going to select the title, put my thing down there, and then I'm going to take this, drag it down, put it in the middle. Now you can put it like on top of this. You can do a lot of things. Okay, so I'm going to highlight that. And then I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to call this Major Tuttle. And then you have to hit return. If you don't hit return, it just disappears. Okay, so actually I'm going to add to this Major Tuttle, and then I'm going to put first just watch. All right, then I'm going to Control C, copy that, and I'm going to go all the way to the end, and I'm going to go Control V, paste that, and now I'm going to type in, now draw with me, return. All right, then I'm going to copy this video selection, Control C, and I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go to the speed setting. So that looks like the, odometer thing, whatever, speed setting. Then I'm going to come down here to custom, and I'm going to select the amount, and I'm going to put in 1000, 1000, return. And now what I have done is I've sped up my video. And this is really handy because people are not capable of watching stuff sometimes, and you have to speed it up. Now there's several ways you can do that. You can do the custom, or you could just do fast. You have some options here. Now if I play this like this, let's play it like this. You guys will get a chuckle. Yeah, now I've got my chipmunk going. So I want to get rid of this audio. So you just grab the audio bar and pull down to 0, and now I have no audio. So now I'm going to come over here. I'm going to press Control V, and there's the video playing with the audio at a normal pace. All right, so I just squeezed my fingers together on the mouse pad to make it go small. So now I want to put a picture in picture. So I'm going to come over here to the image. I'm going to hit Control C. Come over here to the first video, Control V, highlight that, and I'm going to move it on top. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. I'm going to grab the side of this, and I'm going to pull it across. Where's my thing here? There we go. Pull it across. Ooh, too far. Too far. Okay, and I'm going to go to there. Then I'm going to let go. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight that section. I'm going to come up here to the little rectangle, and I'm going to hit picture in picture. Then I'm going to come over here, and I'm just going to pull this down so it kind of lines up a little bit. Pull it where I want. Now that will be in my entire video. Now I don't want it in this thing here, so I'm going to Control B and then back up, Control B, and then highlight that, delete, and now it plays the way I want. Now, what do we do for audio? Well, I've done audio a lot of different ways, but I think one of the best ways to do it is to, I go to YouTube, and I go to YouTube Studio, and I go to Audio Library, and then in Audio Library you can look for stuff. There's the search. Okay, there we go. And let's say I want Halloween organ, and then it kind of helps me. So here we go. Listen to that. That sounds pretty good. But you know what? For a sports team, I don't think I want Halloween organ. I think I want, I'm going to just type in football and see what that brings me. So now I have, let's see. Yeah. No. That's kind of upbeat. So I'm going to hit download. And then I'm going to close out of this, And I'm going to come over here to my downloads, and it should be my first download that I have because I just put it on. So I'm going to go back to the download. Here it is. Let's check. Yep. All right. So then I'm going to take this. I'm going to pull it across over here. Now, I think I don't like it all the way up at 100, so I'm going to grab the bar and I'm going to take it down to about 2. And basically, especially where I'm talking, I don't want it really loud.
Hello, art friends. We're going to be drawing the Washington Commander.
I think that's good. I could turn it up. So now I'm going to select it, Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Come back here, select the bar because this is the end and I don't want the music to play with no video. And I'm going to hit Command, not Control. And then I'm going to hit Command B, select the end, and there you go. All right. Now, I've made little headers and footers for the videos, you know, like introductions and then please subscribes at the end that I have. And what I do when I'm just making video after video is I have a template to make it easy. So I go to, I'm going to go, oh, I got to call this something. How to make a movie. All right. So what I do is I come over here and I find a movie that I've already made, like how to draw the Houston Texans logo. So I come over here to the little dot. I go over here, I press the dot, and I go to duplicate project. Okay, so then that loads it up, comes to the front, and I'm going to call this how to draw, and then I'm going to call it test, just so you guys, I don't confuse myself. And then I'm going to open that up, and there's my thing. So what I do is I just come in here, I select this, hit delete, select, hit delete, select, hit delete, and then I come here and I type in the next thing I'm doing, and I already have my intro here, and I already have my back end here, and sometimes I can switch the music, whatever. For a long time, I was getting my music online on Free Music Archive, and I don't know if that's still doing it. I had a few little copyright issues with some of my music, so I had to really focus on getting free music that had no copyright. Skimming the surface of iMovie, there's way more stuff you can do. You come up here to this button up here, the upload button. You hit that, export file. Okay, so there's the name of it. So I'm going to go to next and save, and I like to save it. It goes to my document folder, save, and then this little circle starts moving, and you can see it's downloaded when the circle goes all the way around. So that is how that is done. And I suppose you could save this on your drive if you don't have a channel. The movies take a lot of memory, so if you're just saving them on your computer, you're going to run out of memory really fast. But that's what I would do. And I like to clean up after myself with these and delete stuff that I've got done. Otherwise, I get confused. So I hope you like this and it helps you out with your teaching. It's like having a second person in your room showing the kids how to do stuff, which is super helpful these days. So thank you for watching.